So the takeaways of SEC555 are that we take apart how SIEMs really work and critically examine the different layers of what they do. We do things beyond just using the front end. We show you how to parse logs and how to parse them in new and creative ways. Many vendors mean well, and they set up these defaults that will work, but don't give you a true insight into how your environment works. And in 555, what we will do is break that idea apart and show you how at each phase of the SIEM pipeline, how you can customize it and make it tailored for you and your organization, because you have to. Any SIEM is going to fail because the developers don't know your network like you do. And so if you can customize it and make it work for you, you're going to have an outstanding time. And that's what the class does. That's the key takeaway. It shows you how to hot rod a SIEM and make it work in a way that the developers never ever intended, but it's truly bespoke to your organization.